boots on the ground, putting it down, get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's 5-time best-selling author Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device, my friends. As you know, The Scoop is for your education, your information, and your entertainment only. I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. I'm an author. I do deep research. I'm a researcher. I look at these stocks and I put it in black and white, my friends, so you can look at it for weeks, days, and years to come. You can get my books on Amazon.com. You can get the audiobook, the paperback book, or the ebook, Mickey D, D-E-E. You can go to your local library. They'll order them for you free. You can go to your local bookstore. They'll order them for you if they don't have them, my friends. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. We got a lot of good stuff coming up. I did want to give you a quick update on the Mexico cannabis trade. Now, my friends, it was just a few months ago, and we told you these stocks were, all of them were under like 45 cents or so, under 50 cents, all of them. Now one's over $1.50. The others are climbing up into, they're going to be up 50 cents, dollar before you even know it, my friends. My friends, there's a lot, our entire sector right now is just blowing up. The cannabis sector is just going crazy. There's that big deal, GW Pharma, the other day, and things are just happening in the cannabis sector, my friends. But my friends, I just wanted to review something for you. All of you that buy my books, I want to thank you. All of you that are involved with this trade, I want to thank you. But my friends, it was about 2 years ago when we telegraphed this trade. And in the largest indoor and outdoor marijuana farms in the world, you remember that book? That's one book out there in your library, right? Turn, please, to page 51. Would you please turn to page 51? It's a section on Mexico. I just want you to look at the last paragraph. The transport methods have ensured Mexican cannabis to be in abundance and can be seen everywhere throughout the southern region of the United States. I say that, my friends, because when I was down in Mexico doing research, and I came back, I spoke to some drug cartel people down there that also were patched in with the pharmacies. So remember, it's a government pharmacy. It's going to be a dual deal down there that they're working out as we speak right now. I say the cartels, my friends, they have the distribution network, and the government almost has to work with the cartels. So therefore, you have government officials that are leading the charge down there. As many of you know, we've talked about it forever. We have congressmen, we have former presidents. These are involved with our companies that we have, former senators. These are all people that are in the government. My friends, this is a dual effort in Mexico that's going to be, it's the biggest market by far in Latin America right now. Colombia, is going to be big, which is big now. Brazil, Peru down, all that area is going to be big, my friends. But when Mexico, who's on the verge of legalizing right now, we're gonna be big. A lot of the stocks, a lot of American stocks are doing very well right now. A lot of Canadian stocks are doing very well. Remember, we had our day. Remember, we had our day. We made tens, hundreds, some of you probably made millions, make money online with cannabis stocks, the little strategy in there, and also list over 40 stocks in here. Some of those stocks which are coming back and are going to have another day. Cannabis had, 3 days now? When I say 3 days, I mean it went from really low when we first got it at under $3 to over $60. So that's when we first had our big payday. And now it went back down to about $9. And if you can recall, last summer, $9, I thought that was about the bottom. So, you that got in, congratulations, because it's running back up now to almost 50 USD. And these stocks are running now. This is the time, my friends. So I want you to definitely get your education on and find out really what's going on and where these things are going to be really hit. The African marijuana gold mine, rich mineral soil meets Wall Street. My friends, you got guys like you got guys, you got big time billionaires right now that are investing money in Africa and are investing money in areas like cannabis. As low key as it is, you'll hear about it. We got to do forward thinking, guys. When Bruce Linton went over to Africa and put down $10 million when he was the CEO of Canopy, he knew what he was doing. This was, what, 3-4 years ago. He knew what time. And now you got, Jack Dorsey. You've got guys like Elon Musk. Big investments in Africa. Big investments, my friends. Also, investing in medical and recreational cannabis, buying before, during, or after legalization. My friends, it's out there right now. How to Start a Marijuana Investment Club. This book right here will set you and your club free, because clubs are going to be up and about all over. Marijuana Today, Vanadium and Uranium Tomorrow. Companies get an early, hold, and grow rich. Yes, as uranium mines close, that means the supply is going down, my friends, and that means the demand is going up because more facilities are coming online. So, I mean, it's a no. Some of this stuff is no-brainers, my friend. Some of this stuff is no. But we have put this Mexico cannabis trade together for you, where even a baby could figure this one out, my friends. People have asked me, Mickey D, is it too late to? No, it ain't too late to get in. Man, this trade is no, guys. We're just getting started. Just getting started. Yeah, some of you, we got in, you ate your blueberries at 3, and it's now, as I speak, 15 or so, going to be 16. So, you get, 3-4 fold on that one. But, we're in this for the long haul, guys. You have to get these stocks, and when they double, I know some of you guys are taking money off the table, but because that's what you're supposed to do. When your stock doubles and triples, I'm up. I was up on a stock today over 2,000%, and the stock was going down a little bit. Why can't I take profits? You mad at me because I took profits on 2,000%? Come on, guys. We're not that spoiled. The marijuana industry has spoiled us, but we're not that spoiled. Guys, I'm going to talk about the solars tomorrow. The solars are just blowing up. My private students, you know what time it is. I'm going to let everybody else know what time it is. Probably Thursday. Maybe tomorrow. We'll see how that goes. It depends on when I can talk to the CEO of this other company. If he wants to meet tomorrow or if he wants to meet Thursday, I'm on his time frame. So I'll come out. I'll do it whenever I can. I think it's more important to get a hold of him and see what, you got to see what these bosses are talking about. When they talk, we listen. The scoop listens. So you have to believe, you have to believe the research. Not only technical analysis, not only fundamental analysis. We do those charts and things, my friends, those 50-day, those 200-day moving average. We look at that stuff. We use our indicators. We use all tools necessary. But see, we go knocking on the door and we go talk to them and we find out what is really going on. It's something I mastered during the dot-coms. Guys were telling me that this was going to happen and that was going to happen, and I listened. My mentors, like James Dines, guys like Doug Casey, these visionaries, like they were telling me, like, Mickey, in their newsletters, right? These, your mail is going to come out of the sky and it's going to be on your computer. Talking about email. Nobody couldn't see it, then, and I was a nut. I went ahead and bought some of those companies. The rest is history. But guys like, remember, you guys are probably too young to remember, but remember when, who was the guy? The guy, Clinton's vice president, Al Gore, took credit for the internet. Remember that? He said, I invented the internet. Yeah, he was about 3 years after we were investing in it. Then he said he invented it. Wasn't that something? That was funny. But that was a great time in history, my friends, trading those dot-coms and seeing what happened. But this is another great time. Marijuana law is changing, and they're going to change in America, but they're going to change in Canada's first, of course. Then you're going to have Mexico, and then you're going to have America after that. But next on board, even though the stocks are blowing up all over, the continuation blow up will be in our Mexico cannabis trade, my friends. Love you. God bless you. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. I'll leave some links for you. I have the books. Get your education on right now, my friends. It's not too early. It's not too late. It's not too, you're right on time, because you're going to be telling your kids and your grandkids and your great-great-grandkids, you're going to be telling them that you were on board when they legalized marijuana. Not only that, but you bought a couple companies that are worth gazillions now. Love you. Take care of you and your family.